Hey everybody, it is Sunday, kicking up out of the day. What I wore, you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get some life, and you get puppies. I'm Laura. If you're new, please stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It's Sunday morning. It's actually really pretty out here. It's Father's Day. 67, getting up to 77 degrees today. And I chose an easy outfit. I did a Loft haul for you all. You're going to see upcoming, and it had this outfit in, and I liked it so much I threw it on for today. So Loft top, Loft bottom. I think these both might be blue and gray. Paired it with these fun Sam Edelman little sandals. Put on my necklace for my husband and my bracelet stack. And that's a wrap. It's been quite a busy morning. And yeah, I think we're going to go out for lunch to take my husband, and we'll take it from there. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It's raining outside. The weather's been so weird lately. 69, getting up to 77 today, but it's 9:30 and it's dark outside. So go figure. The storm must be coming in. Let's see, for my outfit today, I just have on Liverpool denim shorts. I think I just got, I think it's in a Wantable, paired with an Evereve top from a Trendsend a couple years ago, and then these fun Dolce Vitas for my shoes. I didn't put any jewelry on today, so I just have on my permanent jewelry and the earrings I've been leaving in, and that's it for today. I'm exhausted, and I start traveling for work tomorrow. My dad went back in the hospital yesterday. He had another issue with his blood sugar. They cannot get it figured out. It is really dropping low a lot. It's been all over the place. When we checked it, it was 61, which is very low for him. And then whenever the medics got here to take him to the hospital, it was 20. Then when he got to the hospital, they got it to 140 because they, of course, started doing IV fluids, and then it's been dropping again. So there's a lot going on with him, but yeah, these last few days have officially done me in, and I have an incredibly busy work week ahead, like all day meetings, that kind of thing. So I'll be looking forward to talking to you on Friday. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday morning, bright and early, 4:45, and let's see, it's going to be a long week for me. So I'm trying to choose comfortable outfits for this week. My outfit today is a Michael Stars set. I got the top first in a Trendsend, and got the skirt second in a Stitch Fix. Can you tell it's first thing in the morning? I got it in a Stitch Fix. For shoes, I have on these amazing shoes I just got from Anthropologie by Cecilia. I love these. Isn't that fun? And for jewelry, I have on a necklace from Curator. I have on my bracelet stack. And I'm off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is, let's see, 57 right now, getting up to 83. I am in all day meetings starting at, 7 o'clock, and we go until 5 o'clock. So it's going to be a really long day. And hopefully a good one though. For my outfit, I chose a Z Supply set. So this is a cute little Z Supply top, Z Supply matching skirt. I actually am pairing it with this really pretty Z Supply blazer. I like this one because it kind of has this ruched looking sleeve. I got this in a Wantable probably 2 years ago. And then for shoes, I have on these Sam Edelmans. You've seen these before. Love the little heel on this. I thought they should be good for all day. Little strappy. And then for jewelry, I have on everything I had on yesterday. I just switched out my necklace to the one my husband got me. And we're off. Off to work I go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, it is Thursday this week. This week has been so long, I barely know my name. But it is Thursday. It is 6:20 in the morning, 56 degrees it says outside. It's getting up to 84 though. I think it's going to be a really nice day. And yesterday was so long. I left here at like 6:30. I didn't get back till like 6:30 in the morning. Didn't get back till 8:30 at night. So it was a crazy long day. I think it was beautiful outside, but I was inside the entire day. And it's supposed to rain like for the next, I don't even know, 5 days. It's funny. Anyway, I'm sure it won't be a rain out, but enough of all that. For my outfit today, I have on a pair of Sanctuary, they're called balloon pants from Evereve. I have on a tank from Blue & Gray, the Loft. I have this super cute little faux leather jacket from Evereve I got during one of their sales. And then for shoes, these fun Dolce Vitas you've seen before. Comfortable, very comfortable. My shoes, my feet have a little wear and tear from this week. It's different when you're at home working than when you are wearing shoes for 12 to 14 hours. It's crazy. So these are very comfortable. And then my jewelry is the exact same as it has been for the last couple days. All right, I'm gonna get going. I will see you at home tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. I made it home. It felt like the longest week ever. It is 72 right now, getting up to 79. The sun's trying to come out. It's been pretty gray up until me walking out here, and it's brightening up, so I love that. Let's see, we have to catch up on my box keepers for my very final and last JB style box. So let's talk about that. I did keep the little bralette Cami, and I kept the little top by Free People. I did not keep the pants. I couldn't get an exchange on the size. Those were really, really cute though. I did keep the Varley pieces. And let's see, I did not keep the adorable jumpsuit. I just thought it would be too problematic for me, and I wouldn't grab for it for that reason. I did not keep the top by Liverpool, but I did keep the shorts by Cut, and I did not keep the other Liverpool top either, so I didn't keep that one either. All right, so you're caught up on JB Style Box. Friday Funny. All right, so this one is Willie. Willie has decided he loves to go deep under covers now. He'll go under the covers of my son, with my husband and I. He's under the covers, like under. So here is this morning when Willie just has his little bum sticking out. The rest of his body is completely under the covers. You're seeing my heating pad there that I lay on, if you're wondering what that is. But I do, and I think he liked the heating pad was a little bit warm when I got up, so. All right, and for today's outfit, I have on cut from the cloth shorts. I love these fun pattern. Paired it with a L&A tank. This came in a Trendsend, as well as this cute little Evereve vest, also from a Trendsend. For shoes right now, I'm wearing flip-flops. I realized I didn't put my shoes on today, but you know what? I'm probably just going to leave these on because I have a pedicure appointment this afternoon, so I'll just stay comfortable. For jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack. That's it. I'm going to get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for outfit of the day and final outfit of the day. All right, so it's in the morning. I'm heading to breakfast with my friend before my day gets crazy, and it has been raining. It's like there's rain. 100% chance of rain for like the next, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 days. I think we get 1 day break, and then next weekend again rain. What's happening? Anyway, so it was raining this morning, but it smells really nice out here because the rain stopped. It's first thing in the morning, right? And it is supposed to get up to 77. It's already 67, feels a bit muggy right now. My Quince haul posted today. Please go check out that video. I was so impressed with Quince. So I have been wanting to give that brand a try, and I hadn't gotten around to it. And they reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to do a review. And luckily they sent me a few pieces. They didn't pay me for it or anything, but they did send me a few pieces that I got to pick out. And you need to go check it out. It's 100% European linen, 100% silk, 100% cotton. Like, organic cotton. They're all about bringing those luxe pieces at an affordable price because they have completely cut out the middleman. So please do go check it out. And for today's outfit, I did a one and done. So I have on a Z Supply dress I got last year. I did pop a little Nikibiki bralette on underneath here. And for shoes, how about these cute little shoes from Dolce Vita, a little flat. And my jacket is by Charlie B. My necklace is from the Loft. I got it last year. I have on my bracelet stack, and I'm off and running. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. I'll put all the information down below so that you can check out any of these pieces. If I can link directly to none of my will, many come from boxes, so the box links are down there. I appreciate you using any of my links. It's what keeps me going. Quick update on my dad. He is still in the hospital, so he went in Sunday. He's still there today. They've not been able to get 24 hours of good blood sugar, right? So it's been fluctuating like crazy, so they need it to be stable. Hasn't gotten there yet as of last night, so we'll see what happens today. And then most likely he'll go to a rehab facility for a week or two once he finally gets out of the hospital. And then I need to figure out what to do after that. All right, guys, thanks so much for all the amazing kind words. So many of you have gone through something very, very similar. It is absolutely horrifyingly difficult. So my heart is with each and every one of you who is going through it or has gone through it. And thanks so much for being an amazing support system. I love all of you. I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.